So, last week we have a meeting on your representation that the share of farmers as embodied in the law should be given to you. And we gave instructions to the treasurer to compute what is due you and to issue the check. So, as promised, dahil kami naman kaya ito, yung sa computation niya is 2,113,624 pesos and 75 centavos up to the last centavo. Kaya it is my pleasure that we present this check to you as evidence of dalihan natin, baka mamaya
Mabawi pa.
Sabihin pa natin na magpakain si Wilson Hindi, pupunta ako sa Ganda del Norte ngayon
Pancho Villa po.
Oo.